Hi everyone. Now we can see Task Manager using MERN stack. In this MERN stack means MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. For backend, we are using MongoDB, Express.js, and Node.js. For frontend, React.js. In this, we have JAWS token for security purpose and the database for MongoDB. Now we can go to coding part. In this, we have two. One is backend and another one is frontend. In backend, we have .env is the MongoDB URL for connecting backend to database. That is the app.js is main file for backend. In this, we imported the libraries and we installed the packages for backend. And also is routing for the MongoDB env. In this, we have MongoDB env, and inside models is the MongoDB schema like string type or numbers, like that we can declare this for a task, and this model for users. Like if user will log in means we can give that schemas. The middlewares inside we have authentication using JWS token, and also we have secret key for env. Like this we can create. If validation is successful means we can log in or sign up. Like that it will work. And also it is for routing for our backend for JWS and users. In this we have env. We can link backend to front end, like that we can link. And also our server is running on port number 5000. And now we can go to front end part. In front end we have src folders. Same like that we installed the libraries through packages, and it is the API route of backend to front end. And inside components we have for this login form, like users can log in using email and password, like that it will work. And it is the navbar of our website, and this is for registration. If you are a new user means we can register from using sign up form. And also we have hooks, like backend to front end we fetching the data using hooks, like that it will work. And we have pages. This is the home page of our website. It is login, and also if error means it will show 4 not found, 404 error. That is the sign up for registration. And the tasks we can create, like that it will work. Now we can run this code. Open your terminal, new terminal. For backend cd back and backend. And also we can start. We install the npm install. Like that we can create another one for a front end cd front end. And also we need to install npm install. In backend our packages is installed. Now we can run. So backend running command is npm start. We can start this. If we start this, our backend is running on port number 5000 and also MongoDB is connected. Now we can see in MongoDB inside .env we have database name. It is our database. It is for users. In these two tables we have one is task, another one is users. Now we can run front end npm start. If we start, front end will run. We'll directly go to browser. This React is running on localhost 3000. This is the home page of our task manager. Now we can log in. So now I don't have any account, so I will give sign up. In this we can create name, username, user on. It is the username, mail and password. So it is the successful message. Now we can check our database. If we refresh users table, our ID will successfully created and now we can log in. Is the email and password. So login is successful. So this user is new. So in this we have empty. Now we can create task. Like any task we can create. In this I will give just simply testing. What and all do you want? You can create tasks. So this is my task number 1, testing. And also for we can edit and we can delete. If I edit, testing is working like that. So in this our testing was working like that. It was updated. And in task table we can check. See, description is coming. If I don't want this task, we can delete also. If I delete, it will directly delete from database also. See, it will delete it. And also we can, how many ones do we can create? Test one, or else we can give another one also we can create. Test two. Like that we can create all tasks. And also we can edit, we can update and delete also is there. This we are using card operation for front end to back end. We linked like that it will work. Thank you.